Next, seventh problem under change of the order. So given thing, so this is y limits, this is x limits. From this, if we define this is x, they are giving means it is a y limit. Y is varying from lower limit is x, upper limit it will be infinity. Next, x is 0, x is infinity. For this, if you try to draw the graph, so it will be their graph for this. So this is the variable limit, this is the constant limit. So y is equal to x means straight line. Okay, y is equal to infinity means keep on it will go. This also infinity means keep on it will go. So this is y is equal to x, also it will keep on. So this is y is equal to x. For this, if you observe, next is y is equal to infinity means it will go under this direction. So this is the common region what it is required for us. So this is 0, 0. In this you can observe the point of intersection. Point of intersection, it is going on infinity, x also it is going on infinity. This particular line, this will become y is equal to x, y also it will become infinity. So for this directly we can write change of the order. So therefore I is equal to so first they gave as a y is variable limit. Now let me to take it as a y as constant limit. So y is equal to constant limit, x is equal to variable limit. If you observe towards y axis, as we are taking, it is a constant limit. So lower point it will be 0, upper x keep on, y it keep on, it is going up to infinity. Okay, similarly y axis if you observe, so this is the lower point and keep on it will reach up to this line. It means x is from 0 to, in this line x is nothing but y. Function is e to the power of minus y divided by y. Here x we have been taken, so this is dx. Now this if you do the integration, we will get 0 to infinity with respect to x. I am doing the integration, this one. So e to the power of minus y divided by y, as it is integration to become x, limit is from 0 to y, this is dy. This is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power of minus y, this will become upper limit come lower limit y, this is dy, denominator y. So y it will get cancelled. Next integration of this one, e to the power of minus y divided by minus 1, limit is from 0 to infinity. So in this case minus 1 you can keep it outside, e to the power of minus infinity minus e to the power of 0, upper limits come lower limit. So now this is minus 1, e to the power of minus infinity, it will become 0. This is e to the power of 1 is 1. So minus minus it will become 1. So answer for this it will be 1. So this is the way we have to do. This is so simple problem. Next problem, the changing of order, that is 8th problem. So given so y limits, x limits. So here x it is containing means this is the y limit, y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2 minus x. Constant limits, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So this is constant limit, this is variable limit. So next it will get changes once we do the change of order. So this, let me to do the simplification. This is x plus y is equal to 2 we will get. So for this 2, let me to draw the graph. So the graph will be there for this. Y is equal to x square means y is equal to x square, this is y is equal to x square, x plus y is equal to 2 means we are getting this is the x plus y is equal to 2. It means this point now it will become x is 2, y is 0. Here this point it will become x is 0, y it will become 2. So this point we need to calculate. This is the common region what we are getting for the two curves. This curve you can observe from here to here. So we are not getting a smooth curve, where it is getting a split up. So this let me to do it by a split up. Okay, this let me to consider as a first part. This is the first part, this is the second part of integration. For this we need to calculate the limit points. This limit points we need to calculate. Later we'll do the first integral, second integral limits, change of variable, later change of order, let us to calculate. Later we'll do the simplification. Now to find out the point of intersection of this one and this one, this is obviously origin 0, 0. So let me to take it. Okay, point of intersection, the point of intersection, let me to take it any one curve. So let variable curves, that is y is equal to x square. In this, if you substitute the constant limit, that is at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, then what will happen? The changes here. So y also it will become 1, x also y it will become now in this place also. So this is 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 we are getting. So this means 1, 1 we will get. So in this place, this you tell me what is the point of intersection. So this obviously 1, 0, 1 it will happen, 0, 1. So for this change of the order, we are getting the two regions for this particular problem. So change of order, the change of order. So what I am going to do, x limit and y limit, and for first region, y limits and x limits. Similarly for second region, y limits, x limits. First region, if you observe, they gave as a y is the variable limit. Now this will become constant, this also will become constant limit. This is variable limit, this is variable limit. Okay, now if you observe y axis, the first region, y axis, this is the first region for me. This first region y axis, it is y is varying from 1 to 2. Y is varying from where to where? Y is varying from 1 to 2. So this is lower in the first region. Here y is varying from first region, please observe only the first region. So y is 1 to 2. So this is 1 to 2. X will become as a variable limit. So x is varying from, in this line if you observe, x is varying from this is the lower point, x is 0 to upper means in this line. In this x if we eliminate, we will get 2 minus y. This is the first region. Second region, if you talk about the second region, y is constant limit. If you go towards upward direction, y value it will be 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, and x is the variable limit. So this it will get vary if you observe towards y-axis in the second region, so in this place x is equal to 0 to upper means this curve, so this curve is nothing but root y, we will get root y. So now therefore let me to take it I is equal to region number 1 plus region number 2. So I is equal to first region as I told you, constant limit y is varying from 1 to 2, y is varying from x is varying from 0 to 2 minus y. Function it will be xy, here dx is there, let me write it as a dx next to dy, plus similarly second region, if you talk about the second region, in this y is equal to 0 to 1, x is equal to 0 to root y. So a function is xy, here x we are taking, so what it is dx, this is dy. This you can start to do the integration. This first one 1 to 2 dx with respect to, so continuation of the integration. Here what will happen, dx if you do with respect to xy, if you do, you will get y, it will be as it is, y squared divided by 2, dy you can keep it. So here also same thing, here plus you write down, y keeping as it is, this will become x squared divided by 2 and integration of 0 to 1. Now this is 1 by 2, can keep it outside, this is 1 by 2, y upper limit come lower limit, if you apply it will become 2 minus y whole square dy, plus 1 by 2 integration 0 to 1 y and here upper limit come lower limit means root y it will be there, so this also can take out, we will get y here. So from this next you can observe, so this is 1 by 2 write down as it is, y a plus whole square you apply here, dy will get plus 1 by 2 integration y square is y into y, will become y square dy, is 1 by 2, next y you multiply inside, we will get the simplification 1 by 2. So here integration of y cube, it will become y square, it will become y cube divided by 3, upper limit come lower limit. So here in each and every step you can apply the integration. Here this will become y square divided by 2, y to the power 4 divided by 2, here y to the power of 3 divided by 3. So and also you apply the limits here also, 1 by here 2 3 is the 6, upper limit come lower limit means 1 by 1 minus 0 it will happen. So this you do the simplification, it will leads to the everything, almost it will be the fractions. So this fraction you can simplify, you will get the answer as a 2 by 3. So is our answer. So still now, so there are total 8 problems we have been completed in change of order. Thank you for watching.